Hello, welcome to my author study presentation on Julia Donaldson. My name is Olivia Knight. Julia Donaldson was born on September 16, 1948 in London, England. Her parents were James and Elizabeth. Her mother and father met before World War II. Her father was a prisoner of war but came back from war and they got married. Her father was a successful professor and her mother was a secretary. She had one sibling, a younger sister named Mary. Julia studied French and drama at Bristol University. In 1972, she married Malcolm, and later on they had two sons named Hamish and Alistair. A fun fact about Julia Donaldson is she started her career as a songwriter for children's television shows, which later she incorporated into books. She knew she wanted to be an author at a young age when her father gave her a book with poems in it, and she would sit and read and dwell on these poems, and that inspired her to be an author. She also performs theater in her downtime, in which some of the plays she writes. Julia is a part of ArtLink Central, which gives artwork to communities that are less fortunate, and it helps brighten up the area. And she's also a part of BookBug, which is funded by the Scottish Government, and it provides over 500,000 books to children every year to help expand their knowledge and their love for reading. Julia Donaldson started out her career by traveling the world with her husband. They would write songs about the places they visited and take part in small plays. And then she started writing tunes for the British Broadcasting Corporation. She ran a child's workshop from 1974 to 1976. Julia also published 46 plays, and she took part of King's Fruitcake in 1976 and Pirate on the Pier in 1980. Julia worked as an English professor for 2 years at St. Mary's Hall, and then she published her first book, Squash and a Squeeze, which was inspired by one of her tunes in 1993. Julia Donaldson has many great books, but these are the three I chose to talk about today. The first one is The Everywhere Bear. This bear goes on a ton of adventures with his owner. He's a friend to all his owner's friends and never lets them be alone. One day he falls out of the backpack of his owner and must take on an adventure by himself. The next book is The Paper Dolls. This is about a string of paper dolls who embark on a journey. They go through many obstacles and escape safely until the real threat comes, the scissors. And then the next book is Rosie's Hat. This rhyming story takes us on an adventure of a little girl losing her hat. The hat becomes all sorts of things that a hat is usually not. Rosie's hat is one special hat, especially to Rosie. This is a list of some of the awards that Julia won throughout her career. But Julia was a very successful author, winning over 30 awards throughout her lifetime. Not only was Julia a wife and a mother, but she published over 184 books. She has touched the hearts of many children all over the world. She has brought them the joy of rhyming books as well as catchy tunes on TV. I believe Julia was successful because she was truly doing it to help children, not for the faint. All I have read has made me realize how genuine she is and how much she loved reading and wanted to inspire young minds and hearts to love reading as well. Thank you.